Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view sticker responses on the Instagram app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right to open up your profile page. Then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select your activity. And then under interactions, you want to locate an item in here that says sticker responses. And then if you had any responses to stickers, it would be listed in here. So when you reply to someone else's sticker, it'll show up here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.